Okay, let's visually understand the problem first of all. There's a distance. It's 3 miles. All right? A man starts to walk 3 miles, intending to arrive at a certain time. So he knows how to walk. He knows how long it takes him to walk 3 miles, yada, yada, yada. All right, so after walking a mile, he was detained for 10 minutes. So I'm going to say over here, he's a mile in, and he's got 2 miles to go. All right, so after walking a mile, he was detained for 10 minutes. As a consequence, he was obliged to walk the rest of the way. That means the remaining 2 miles. He had to walk a mile an hour faster. What was his original speed? So the question is, what's his original speed? So X represents the original speed. All right? So I'm going to start talking about time. And the time that it would normally take him to do this, right? So it's really rate times time equals distance. All right? So, the rate of time that would normally take to do this, well, I'll talk about this right now. The rate of time for this thing over here, its distance is 2, and his rate would be x, right? That's the normal amount of time it would take him. Right, but remember, they took away some time from him. How much time did they take away? 10 minutes. So it's going to be minus 10 divided by 60. Now, why are we doing that? We're talking about miles per hour, so it's got to be in terms of hours. And he had to increase his speed by a mile an hour. So this is going to be time, and this is going to be the rate. He increased his speed by a mile an hour. All right? And what is he going to do? He's going to do a distance. What kind of distance do you have left to do? 2. All right, so I kind of understand it. And the question is, can I solve the equation now? Let me erase this business over here. And I want to solve it. Right? It doesn't look like a bad equation to solve. And I'm going to get an LCD here. Oops. 2. You know what? 10 divided by 60, I should write it as 1/6, right? So this would be 6x. This would be 12 minus x times x plus 1. I can multiply both sides by 6x. You get 12x equals 12 minus x times x plus 1. I'm going to multiply this out. You get 12x plus 12 minus x squared minus x equals 12x. Well, isn't this convenient? These disappear, and you get this. 0, 12 minus x squared. Let me try to factor that. I'm going to say 4 and 3. X and x minus plus. Let me check it. That does give you 12. You get minus 4 plus 3 is minus. Yeah, works beautifully. So x is minus 4, which is nonsense. It's minus 4 miles per hour. And the other one's going to be x equals 3. So 3 is the rate, the original speed. So it's 3 miles per hour. Thank you.